How y'all doing? I'm doing okay. We are going to be making chicken Alfredo today. I've been ready for it. My mouth is watering. We finna get started. Going into my electric skillet is some olive oil. We are about to grill up our chicken breast. Alright, so I'm going to get this chicken seared up. And then I'm going to bring y'all back when I'm done with the chicken. This is going to be an easy meal tonight. Something that's not going to take a lot of work, a lot of effort. You can get back to your family and enjoying your night, okay? So this is an easy meal. Okay, y'all, so before I flip my chicken, I want to go ahead and season it. I'm going in with my house seasoning, which is garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. I'm also going in with some chicken bouillon flavor. I love this stuff. It gives it a good taste. This is also what I'm boiling my noodles in. So the noodles that I'm using is egg noodles. I couldn't find any fettuccine noodles, so I'm using egg noodles. This is paprika. Also, I'm going in with some turmeric. I like turmeric. It's not quite ready to flip on the other side because I want it to be really seared. And my chicken is ready to flip. Alright, so I'm going to let this side cook. And I'm going to put some seasoning on this side because this is the side that was in the skillet first. About ready. Just like how I like it. Now I'm just going the chicken is done. So I'm going to take it out. Okay, so I'm going to add my fettuccine sauce. I'm using Bertolli. I didn't feel like making the sauce, so I'm using jarred. Yep, we're going easy tonight. The second jar is Prego. I like both of these sauces together. Put in with some garlic powder. Italian seasoning. I'm going to turn my skillet down because I don't want my sauce to pop everywhere. And I didn't rinse my skillet out, as you see, because I didn't want to lose all the drippings and the flavoring from where we grilled the chicken. So it's all going to marry in just perfect. Go in at the last probably 5 to 10 minutes. And I'm pouring in a bag of frozen peas. I love peas in my chicken Alfredo. Oh my gosh, y'all. If you've never had peas in your chicken Alfredo, I think it's called Primavera. But yeah, I love peas. So I got that in there. And y'all, the meal is ready. I'm just adding in my last minute stuff to the sauce. And then I'm going to bring in the pasta. I'm adding in my chicken. I've already diced it up. I like pastas where everything is already added into it I don't have to, nobody has to make this and add that and fix this plate. Nope. I like one pot meals. It's super easy, and that's how I like it. Into the egg noodles, and this is what we got. It's creamy. It's not dry. Y'all, this is going to be a good meal. So, this is what I'm having tonight. And I got some Parmesan cheese. We're going to sprinkle over in this bad boy. Can't have Chicken Alfredo without no Parmesan cheese. So let's go ahead and get all of that sprinkled in. And y'all, we are done. That Parmesan makes it so much better. See how I got everything already in the bowl? Nobody has to look for anything. Alright, y'all, so I got me a bowl that I'm going to fix me later on. Y'all have a good night. Thank you for supporting the channel. I hope you like, share, and subscribe. And continue watching the videos and sending me feedback. My email is in the description of every video. In case you want to say something to me that you don't want to put in the comments. So I appreciate you all. Have a good night. Bye.